In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of friend requests not sending on Facebook. Many of us rely on Facebook to connect with friends, family, and new acquaintances. But what happens when you encounter issues sending friend requests? It can be frustrating and quite confusing, but don't worry, we've got you covered. I'll walk you through some effective solutions to get your friend requests back on track smoothly. First, let's start with checking your internet connection. As basic as it sounds, sometimes the issue is simply an unstable or poor internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a stable cellular data connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or resetting it. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues that may interfere with sending requests. Another crucial aspect to check is whether Facebook's service is functioning smoothly. On rare occasions, Facebook itself may experience outages or technical hitches that can cause malfunctions in sending friend requests. To verify if Facebook has any ongoing issues, you can visit websites like Downdetector, which provide real-time updates on these outages. If Facebook is down, all you really need to do is wait for the technical teams to address the problem. Now, if all seems fine with the internet and Facebook service, the next thing you want to do is clear your browser's cache or, if you're on a mobile device, clear the app cache. Over time, caches accumulate and may cause glitches in functioning. To clear your browser cache, locate your browser settings, and find the option to clear browsing data, and make sure to select the cached images and files. On the Facebook app, head over to your device settings, locate the Facebook app, and clear its cache. After clearing the cache, it's important to check if you're running the latest version of the Facebook app. Developers routinely release updates to address bugs and enhance functionality. Go to your App Store, whether it's the Play Store for Android users or the App Store for iOS users, and see if there's an available update for Facebook. If there's an update, go ahead and install it. This ensures that you're running the latest version, which is optimized for performance. Before moving any forward, it's worth noting that Facebook has imposed certain restrictions to limit how many friend requests you can send at a time. If you've sent too many requests in a short period, Facebook may block you temporarily. If this is the case, you might have to wait for a while before you can send more friend requests. With these methods, you should be well on your way to solving the issue of friend requests not sending on Facebook. Patience and methodical troubleshooting are key here. Sometimes, the issue may not be as immediate as we hope, but more often than not, these steps will rectify it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check in for more tech support tips.